Hello everyone and welcome to my course GIMP for Amazon Merch. I will be instructing you on how to use the image editing software GIMP to create beautiful t-shirt designs for your Amazon Merch account. I am so excited to go through this with you. This course was specifically designed for beginners, so if you have no idea how to use GIMP and you chose it because it's free, which is exactly why I chose it, then this is perfect for you. We're going to be going through step by step how to use it for different functionalities. It'll be very, very hands-on. I'll be doing a lot of screen shares so you can see exactly how to do it. So this is perfect for you if you're a beginner. If you have a little bit of knowledge about GIMP, this is also a great course for you because you will learn some new tips and tricks along the way that you will definitely find useful while you're trying to up your Amazon Merch game. So I decided to make this course because I started Amazon Merch a few months ago, so I am relatively new to the Amazon Merch scene, but my husband was the one that signed me up originally, and he said it was something that he thought I would enjoy, and I really do love it. The only problem is I had never used image editing software before, so for me it was a really big struggle starting from zero knowledge, and then you open up GIMP and there's just a ton of tools on the side, nothing's labeled. It's just very confusing if you don't know what you're doing. So for me, it took a while to learn how to use it, how to use the tools, and how to get proficient enough that I am now able to get an image in my head and then make it happen on the screen. So that's why I decided to do this. I want to help you out. If you don't know how to use software like this and it's really frustrating and it can be very frustrating but also scary if you're new to it, then that is why I'm here. I want to help you out. I am very excited. This course is going to be divided up into two sections. So the first section is going to be GIMP Basics. I'll be going over the tools and how to, download it, things like that. And then the second part will be specifically for Amazon Merch. So I'll be going over a whole bunch of tips and tricks, how to just make your life easier while you're trying to upload all these new t-shirt designs. So let's get started. I'm excited.